6 in the morning and we are desperately trying to pack up our tent. Kate's faffing in there. You can just see her moving around. So we've got to be avoiding the faff zone as best as possible. Good morning. I have chosen to go for a disgusting tea.
It's like hot chocolate.
Whereas Nicola has gone for a delicious looking coffee, which I think I'm going to go for tomorrow. It's the valley we camped in. It's looking very nice. Despite an anxiety-filled night of thinking, is the farmer going to turn up? Is he going to run us over in his Land Rover?
I thought that.
Are there cows going to come sniffing around?
Is a badger going to eat our food?
Is a badger going to eat our food? Yeah, we're pussies really. I don't know why we come out and do this. But the bird song, absolutely incredible. Cuckoo, we've heard. I think I've heard wood warbler.
Heard a pigeon?
Nicola's heard a pigeon. Oh no, here comes the rain. Look, imagine building a wall up there. Oh yeah. People were much hardier back then, eh? Hell yeah. We're just having such a beautiful start to our second day. Walking through this really, really wet woodland. Carpeted with opposite-leaved golden saxifrage and bluebells and just mossy green wood everywhere. We're just going to have to accept that we're going to have boggy, smelly feet. It's quite a deep bog. I mean, this is TV gold.
Let's go.
Do you want your poles?
Okay, yeah. Let's go. Place your bottom dollar, there'll be sun.
It may be very rainy, but it's beautiful in here. Bluebells and wild garlic and wooden enemies? No?
Probably. I can't see any at the moment, but this is the kind of place that they would definitely be.
What's that loud bird? What do you think of this wood, Kate?
This is just absolutely stunning. It is. It's like a fairy tale.
And that's the views of Dolgelly. That signifies the end of the first section of the Snowdonia Way. Are we disturbing you, ladies? Dick Jones.
Should we have a selfie? Hello, little friend. What's going down?
We've got a little ashy mining bee. Hello, cutie. She is a silver fox. I think Kate's found a bee or some kind of flower that she's trying to identify. She's always on her knees in the bush. Delicate blooms of milkwort, ormantil. A very cute little plant. Here comes little Heidi Hi with her pigtails. Little willow warbler singing. I don't know if the phone will pick it up. One of my favourite calls, like a little descending call. I think it's quite a melancholy song, but there's something nice to it, almost like a song to last summer or something. A song thinking about times gone by rather than what's to come. There it goes one last time. Willow warbler. Here she comes. Dick Jones, the one and only. She's complaining about something in her ear and she's reliably informed me that she has a wedgie. But she's looking strong. Hiking style is good. She looks determined.
Wedgies are a serious problem.
Some fine haircuts you have there, sirs or madams. Oh no, I think I can see a penis. Looking mighty fine there. You enjoying the rain, sir? Yes, me too. We haven't seen anyone out here apart from some Highland cows and a belty.
Who are you calling a belty?
And we have got a belter here as well. Bit of an eyed heifer. We've reached a point where we don't have a campsite and we haven't come across anywhere suitable to camp in a while. As you can see, it's pretty steep forestry and we're heading up a steep track. It's 7 o'clock. We've had a few not unfriendly encounters but not particularly helpful encounters. The first one was a woman who tried to fob us off that her land wasn't where the footpath went when it was. And we found some suitable fields to camp in, and we asked, and fair enough, she said no. But it was kind of a not even give us a chance, no, not even engage with us, no. And it looks like we might have to do some evening, potentially night hiking. I must admit, there's a little feeling of trepidation. I think after last night's sleepless night, we both just wanted somewhere nice to camp, somewhere where we felt we could stay and get a good night's sleep and perhaps not get moved on. But we've had a really lovely day and hiked through some absolutely stunning landscapes, and the weather's been kindish, thundery showers but nice breezy sunny spells which get all the waterproofs dry, so can't complain really. Feeling pretty good, body's feeling good, ultras are working out, waterproofs are holding fast. Our second night on the Snowdonia Way, and we have benefited from amazing human kindness today. We came across some fields on the side of the forest, so we approached the house and we met an incredibly kind woman called Tia, who completely lives self-sufficiently.
She's given us...
Yeah, so she's given us some kale to eat, so we've got some nice fresh food for dinner. They also grow all their own veg, all their own fruit, everything. She said the only thing she buys is olive oil and Peroni beers, that's it. And they live in this amazing spot in Snowdonia. So, yes, we're feeling very happy now, aren't we, Kate?
Oh, so happy.
Yummy! Taste of food that's not just like crappy noodles and nothing else. We got some chorizo in there, we've got some kale.